Quick read. UK MPs and peers are warning that the Bank of England's proposed rules for systemic stablecoins could push fintech innovation offshore. Here's what that debate looks like and why it matters. A concise breakdown you can use for a podcast segment or quick update. Cross-party MPs and members of the House of Lords have written to Chancellor Rachel Reeves expressing concern that the Bank of England's planned regime for systemic stablecoins risks driving activity away from the UK. Their basic worry: heavy-handed regulation intended to protect stability could make the UK less attractive to issuers, investors, and startups. For context, stablecoins are digital currencies pegged to stable assets, such as the US dollar. Supporters say they can make transactions faster and cheaper, while critics highlight potential threats to financial stability and consumer protection. That tension is at the heart of the current disagreement. Lawmakers argue that overly prescriptive rules, especially ones that place strict requirements on issuers, could stifle innovation and experimentation. If the costs and compliance burdens become too high, firms may relocate to jurisdictions with more welcoming rules, eroding the UK's competitiveness in financial services. There's also a talent and investment angle. Regulatory uncertainty can discourage entrepreneurs, developers, and investors, creating a brain drain that hurts the fintech ecosystem's ability to grow and attract capital. For a country positioning itself as a fintech hub, that's a real strategic risk. The Bank of England, for its part, frames the regime as necessary to safeguard financial stability and protect consumers. MPs and peers are not dismissing those aims. Rather, they're calling for a more balanced, collaborative approach, ideally a principles-based framework developed with industry input that addresses risks without shutting down innovation. The debate is ongoing and emblematic of a larger challenge: how to regulate new financial technologies in a way that protects the public while keeping the door open to innovation. Striking that balance will shape whether the UK remains a leading market for fintech or cedes ground to more permissive jurisdictions. Thanks for listening. If this was useful, share it or tune in next time for more quick takes on policy and fintech.